Welcome, traveler. Today we journey back, far beyond history, to a world that existed 4.9 million years ago. Before cities, before kingdoms, even before the first humans walked the earth. There were our ancient ancestors, creatures caught between beast and man, fighting for survival, love, and life. Here, in the heart of the wild, one family struggles against the odds. A father, a hunter, a mother, a caregiver, a child, the promise of tomorrow. This is their story. A story of survival, of hope, of the first sparks of humanity. Prepare yourself for a journey into the dawn of mankind.